Start. Okay, this is a question based on heat where a PV diagram is shown. A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Mind it, there is nothing given about what kind of process is DA. So don't assume adiabatic or isothermal. Okay, and this is P, this is 3P, V, 3V and 9V. And this is given number of moles 1, monatomic, so I have written F equal to 3. And these are the things P, Q, R, S, and we need to match A according to A what will be happen, and according to B what will happen, and what will match with this. I have shown delta U, this is decreasing sign, this is increasing, heat is lost is denoted by Q equal to negative, it is again denoted by Q equal to positive. Work is done on the gas, delta W is negative. We will use the standard one, that means Q equal to delta W plus delta U. This is the basic. Q given is part utilized as work done and part utilized as increment of internal energy. So A is nothing but given was A to B process. So what will be the things which will associate A to B process with these things? We know A to B is at constant pressure. At constant pressure, that means, and volume is decreasing. I have used this sign as volume decreasing. So volume decreasing, so PV equal to nRT. A to B is constant pressure, that means volume directly proportional to temperature, so temperature will also decrease. Okay, fine. So delta U is nothing but NCV delta T, TF minus TI. As T is decreasing, so TF will be less than TI, so it will also be negative. That means the U will, basically U will decrease. Okay, so delta U becomes negative. Okay, so U will decrease, so delta U becomes negative. So for A, this is correct, of course. P, let's check. Of course, when P is correct, Q will be not correct. And what about work done? Work done is nothing but P dV. As volume is decreasing, dV will be negative. So delta W will be negative. So this is correct. So PT. And what about heat? As delta U is negative, delta W is negative. So Q is obviously negative. So R is also correct. So P RT for first part. Okay. And now we will do for BCD. BCD. So B part is for this, then we will do C in this. B is for B to C. This is again at constant volume and pressure is decreasing, so directly proportional pressure decreasing, so temperature will also decrease. So delta U becomes negative as T is decreasing, so U will also decrease, so delta will become negative. So this is correct. U is decreasing, so P. That means Q is not correct. What about work done? Work done is P dV. For constant volume, dV is 0, so work done becomes 0. So Q becomes work done plus delta U, so delta U. So Q is negative as U is negative. So what we are getting? R. Okay. And work done is 0. Now we will do for C and D. C was for C to D process. Again this is isobaric process but having volume increasing. So pressure constant, volume increasing, so temperature will increase, so U will increase. So correct answer will be Q. As U is increasing, so delta U becomes positive. V is increasing, so delta W becomes positive, as delta W is nothing but P delta V. As V is increasing, so delta V will be positive, so work done will be positive, so Q becomes positive. As delta W is positive, delta U is positive, so Q is also positive. So what we are getting? S. So Q and S. This is correct answer. Now we will do D to A process. Mind it, D to A is nothing given. What kind of process is this? But by using this value, we can find this, that TA is equal to TD. Look, T is nothing but PV by product of PV by NR. So here product of PV is 3P into 3V, 9 PV, and here product is P into 9, so 9 PV. So basically product of PV is equal, so temperature is equal. So this is the process where at D and A temperature is equal. So delta U only depends upon initial and final condition, not in between temperature. We don't care whether temperature at all these points is equal or not, but we are only concentrated on at D and A temperature is constant. So delta U becomes 0 because it only depends upon initial and final temperature and CV delta T. Okay, so delta U is 0. So P and Q can't be correct in this case. And of course, Q is delta W only, as delta U becomes 0. We need to find about delta W. And delta W is nothing but P dV integral, of course. P is increasing, V is decreasing. From D to A, volume is decreasing. So delta V becomes negative. So Q becomes negative. So Q is negative. So R, and work done negative. So T. So again, this is the answer. Okay. Thank you.